Dalawang kupunan na nagnanais na makasama sa listahan ng mga dakilang kupunan sa kasaysayan ng NCAA. Arellano University gustong makasama ang Letran, San Sebastian at Perpetual bilang mga kupunan na nakapag-3-peat sa women's volleyball. Ang Perpetual naman gustong makompleto ang Grand Slam ngayong araw. Kaya naman tayo ay tutungo sa set number 5 dito sa game number 2 ng NCAA Season 94 Women's Volleyball Finals. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakatutok ngayon. Anton Rojas, Coach Ronnie Magsanok at Roxanne Montealegre ang inyong broadcast team para sa gabing ito.
It's all about the will to win. It's all about believing that they can do the near impossible and they can come up with another miracle. Down by 6 with almost nothing going right. The biggest turnaround was courtesy of Bianca Tripoli. Llorente put in enough magic to keep them in the hunt. Pero nung pumasok si Bianca Tripoli, she was not only the X factor, but she was a big game changer na nung nagkaroon ng chance si Cindy Imbo na tusukin from the service line ang Lady Chiefs. Nangyari, and it's all about playoff volleyball. The best set so far I've seen in game number 2 of the series. Grabe yung shot making, lumabas yung kumpiyansa, but in the end, once again, the comeback attitude, the comeback DNA ng Lady Altas has wiped the smile off the faces ng Arellano Lady Chiefs. Now, it's all about the race to 15. Isa lang ang kasigurudan, Anton, matatapos na ang laban dito sa set na ito.
Perpetual ang kartada sa 5-setters ngayong Season 94, 1-1. Nanalo kontra sa CSB, natalo kontra sa Sunbury University. Ang Arellano, 1-1 din ang kartada. Nanalo kontra sa CSB, natalo kontra sa San Beda University. Hindi natin alam, hindi natin mape-predict kung sino ba ang yamado dito sa deciding 5th set na ito, Coach Ron.
Ang alam ko lang, Arellano has not lost 2 straight matches this season so far. Ito namang team ng Lady Altas are riding on a 5-game winning run dating back to the last 2 matches ng ating elimination round.
Unang atake, napunta kay Gaviola at ang unang puntos mapupunta sa Lady Altas.
Pressure, pressure, pressure.
At saka markado si Regine.
Pero siya talaga ang pupuntahan kasi si Bello kanina ang talagang pinipilit ni Sara Berretiao na tumapos ng 4th set pero hindi naganap.
Oh! Coach Ronnie, si Llorente kanina yung nasa service line nung humabol ang Perpetual sa set number 4.
Saka yung depensa niya. Ilang beses na yung butas na sana pero naibabalik niya. Eventually, Bianca Tripoli will score for them. 2-0 lead. Hawak dito ng Lady Altas against the 3-peat seeking Arellano Lady Chiefs.
Gaviola getting it to the other side. Wow, napakababa nun. Tripoli, drop ball. Sinalo ni Ebuen. Berretiao, binigay kay Bello. What a save by the kapitana. Bianca Tripoli. Flores to Arocha. Drop ball. Dalawang players ng Lady Altas nagkabanggaan, si Gual at si Imbo. Combination play, Arocha pumalo, tuloy pa rin ang rally. Tripoli na naman, Ebuen was there. Berretiao, binigay kay Bello, down the line.
And finally, Bello getting that set at the right spot, sa sweet spot na gusto niya. Malayo sa net, binihit ni Berretiao on the opposite side. Wall was there but no one home to cover zone 1.
Oh, sumobra yung serve ni Bello. Ito yung sinasabi mo, Coach Ronnie, nerves.
It happens to the best of them.
It's a factor now, more than ever.
Huwag mo sabihin veterano ka. Ibang laban sa championship talaga.
O, tinanong mo kami kanina, Roxanne. Ngayon naman kami magtatanong sa'yo, okay ka pa ba dito sa set number 5?
Mas na-excite ako actually, Anton, sa mga crucial sets such as this one. Sabi nga lagi ni Coach Obed Javier, paulit-ulit niya. Everything starts with a good reception. Kaya yan ang focus niya dito. Go back to the fundamentals. Remember the simple techniques. Pero kung sa kanya, yon ang paniniwala niya, unpredictability naman ang baon dito ni Coach Maki Carino. At firepower. Kung sa kabila, it's all about staying cool when things get hot. The other side naman, it's all about fire. Kaya ngayon, it's Destiny versus, ano sabi mo, Anton?
Dynasty.
Dynasty. Destiny versus Dynasty. It's also fire versus ice. At ngayon, ang tanong na lang, pareho, may puso ang naglalaban. Sino ba ang may mas malaking puso dito, Anton?
Eh, ang problema, hindi ko alam kung mainit ba o kung malamig ang panahon ngayon dito sa loob ng Phil Oil Flying Center.
Pareho. Mainit ang palitan ng palo. Pero malamig ang tawag ng ating first referee. The ball was called out, but it was deemed as a check ball. Puntos para dito sa Lady Altas, 2-point lead. Bianca Tripoli, look at all those, the sweat. Late entry na ito sa fourth set, ha?
Late entry, halos hindi naglaro sa set 2 and 3.
Right.
Gual, back set.
Mababa yun.
Jonah Rosal, saved by Regina Rocha. Ebuen ang papalo. Imbo could not receive it properly.
Last touch, Perpetual.
No decisive advantage ang nakikita natin between these two teams. Isang puntos na kalamangan hawak dito ng Lady Altas. At Reg Rocha looking for divine intervention in their bid to stay alive in the series.
Perpetual Lady Altas. Nagdadasal, nananalangin, nangangarap na makamit ang Grand Slam ngayong gabi. Pero hindi pumasok yung tira ni Cindy Imbo. Kasaysayan ang nakataya dito. The Perpetual Juniors team has won 10 championships. The men's team just won its 12th championship. And the women want to win their 4th championship and first title since season 89. Pero ang Arellano, they want to keep the trophy. Oh! Arocha straight to the net.
Well, you had one. Arocha had the other. So sa 5 puntos ng Lady Altas, 2 dyan galing sa service errors ng Lady Chiefs. Isang buntong hininga kalamangan ng Lady Altas.
A looping serve right there by Umandal. Ebuen. Oh no. Kontik na yun. Medyo hindi maganda yung naging landing ni Nicole, coach. Pero naka-recover agad si Nicole Ebuen.
And the top player this season, dating season 94, pinagpag lang. And she will now go to the service line to try and give Arellano
Ayaw
the
na
lead.
ipakita, coach, na may iniinda siyang sakit. Kahit nakita natin, medyo natapilok itong si Nicole. Nagkabanggaan doon sa likod. Quick attack para kay Wanich. Cindy Imbo! Wow, that's a crucial hitting error, coach.
I'd like to see that play again.
65.
Gual going to Imbo. I think that was too low for Cindy Imbo, too close to the net. She was not able to make the adjustment. 2-point run para sa Arellano, isa kanilang kalamangan. Championship experience hawak ng Lady Chiefs.
Hindi ko alam kung tension o excitement ang nararamdaman ng mga tao ngayon eh.
Dito?
Cindy Imbo!
Dito, tension yan.
6-all.
Excitement before the game. At nung kanina sana na may sasara na sana ng Arellano nung lamang sila ng 6. Pero sa ngayon, pag pumasok ka sa 5th set, puro tension yan. Actually, hanggang kumakain mamaya yan, tama nila yan. Kung pagod na pagod ka, hindi mo alam kung bakit. Ayo.
Maaga pa tayo bukas, coach.
Oh, and also with you.
Bello, papalo, down the line, Princess Bello.
Miraculous shot coming from the Princess.
Substitution, Arellano.
Dito talaga lalabas na lang yung lakas ng loob. Saka yung tibay ng isip. That's a high-risk shot coming from Bello.
Eh, yung katawan niya, akala mo,
Maturo sa kabila.
gagawin
Oo.
niya eh.
Saka yung down the line, bahagya lang yung dinaanan. Sakto lang yung bola eh. Designated server. Is this Daisog?
serving.
Yes, that's Daisog, coach.
Right.
Imbo got up as high as she could for that hit. Bello, haabulin ang bola. Hindi na nadiskartehan, pero buhay pa
Coverage,
rin.
oo.
Wow. They did not give up on that play. Cindy
Imbo
Imba.
off the block. 7-all.
Yan ang kailangan ng Altas. Panoorin natin muli.
Kala ko kanina, Anton, she was gassed. But she has refueled and she has reloaded and she has once again exploded.
Humugot.
Vertical, grabe.
Humugot ng malalim itong si Cindy Imbo.
Ito na naman, sa service line si Cindy Imbo.
Ang dating softball player sa Dumaguete City. Ngayon, ace spiker ng Las Piñas sa Perpetua.
Oh, crucial mistake.
Change court.
Halfway
Arellano Lady Chiefs
in the fifth set.
Set number
sa
5
puntos kalamangan ng Lady
by 1
Chiefs.
point. 8-7. Set number 5 is
Sumabit
raised
sa
to
net.
15 points.
So at ating official score, Coach Ronnie, 8 para sa Arellano,
Correct.
7 para sa Perpetua.
Tuesday, February
Wala nang
12
mahabang scoring
at
run dito.
3:30 p.m.
Palitan na lang talaga to.
But if Perpetual wins this match,
Sara
the
Verutiao, dating
champions of the NCAA
UST
Season 94.
Golden Tigress. Ngayon, kapitana ng Arellano Lady Chiefs.
Please
Teka
wait
muna.
for the referee's whistle.
Dahil sa ingay, hindi napansin ni Sara na kinakausap pa ni first referee Lumer Pajarillo ang kanyang mga kakampi.
Serving team captain
Kaya naman
Sara
uulitin niya
Verutiao.
ang pagsimula ng rallying ito sa pamamagitan ng serve. Verutiao, pasok yan. Imbo, pinasa kay Gual. Tripoli, papalo. What a save by Verutiao. Donato, binalik dito sa Perpetual. Regalo para kay Tripoli.
Tripoli with a draw. 8-all.
Tripoli is playing the game of her life. Maski na regalong nagsilbi to, ang hirap i-convert nito dahil tinupi niya yung katawan niya. And she gave herself an additional lift.
And she did her best
At inilag niya yung katawan niya. Oh.
not to touch the net.
Jenny
Dahil-
Gaviola for the serve.
Ang feeling ko nga parang nagkiklear ng pole vault eh. Kasi iniwas niya
Grabe.
yung tumupi.
Flores nagtrabaho para maituloy ang rallying ito. Chinchin Gual binigay kay Tripoli. Inabangan ni Verutiao. Bello papalo na naman. Oh,
Oh!
ito mukhang kailangan kausapin ni referee Pajarillo ang kakausapin niya ang mga linesmen. Oh boy.
Bola sa labas ng antina na.
Pasok pa.
Ball is in.
Parang kidlat na tumama laban sa Lady Altas dahil si Bello inulit yung kanyang tira. Going down the line and scoring for Arellano.
Serving Princess Bello.
Chinchin Gual. Tumiskarte. Nakahanda si Verutiao. Arocha cross court. Gual gets it in the air. Sanggalang. Binalik kay Tripoli. Paboritong atake ni Yanka. Ebuen!
Gwen with a cross-court kill.
From the same spot na pinaluan kanina ni Princess
Timeout,
Bello.
Perpetual.
The MVP, Nicole Ebuen, soaring and scoring for Arellano University.
Uy, ganyanin. Hiningi kayo ng back row ha. Pag may pumapalo pa kay Coberan, pasahan muna natin. Tsaga! Tsaga! Tsaga!
Panibagong huddle, panibagong pagkakataon para ipakita ang kanilang comeback mentality. Coach Maki Carino at ang Perpetual Lady Altas. Is it their destiny to complete the Grand Slam, the first ever Grand Slam for this year's host?
Hindi mo na maipaliwanag ang pakiramdam mo pag ganyan ang pagkakataon eh.
Francis Bello serving
Talagang
for
magdarasal
Arellano.
ka na lang talaga ng napakalalim at paulit-ulit. And then you play on.
Tripoli na naman. Pero Tiao.
Oops.
Arocha. Biglang tumahimik yung mga fans dito.
Last touch, Perpetual.
Arellano building the largest
Arellano
advantage
11,
in the fifth set.
Perpetual 8.
A scramble
This
play
is
but
set
Vero
number
Chao
5.
steady in the ship.
A race to 15
Away from the double
points.
block. Nasangga naman igual pero
Substitution,
hindi na
Perpetual
nakarotate
8
dun
out,
sa transition
Juan Castillo
defense.
in. 9 out.
Ang Lady
6
Altas.
Versosa in.
Babalik na naman ang rookie setter mula sa Cebu na si Jelay Castillo. Kasama si Joey Versosa.
Matinding shift ito sa
Bello
dulo
for
ah.
serve.
Coach Maki Carino biting the bullet.
Service error.
And they get a reprieve with that service error coming from
Bello.
Bello again. So, meron si Bello, meron si Ebuen. Dalawa kay Bello.
Substitution,
Isa kay
Perpetual,
Ebuen.
6
Siyam
out,
na
9
puntos,
Gual
Lady
back
Altas.
in. 5 out, 8 Rosal
Balik muli
back
si
in.
Gual at si Rosal. Ay nga uli si Versosa at si Castillo.
Gual wants this to be her final performance sa kanyang NCAA career para sa Perpetual. Gual, Imbo, Llorente, and Versosa, the graduating players ng Lady Altas. And Ebuen breaks down the wall.
Ball touch, Perpetual. Substitution,
The heart
Arellano.
of a champion.
17 out,
Oh yes, no
14
less.
back in. 15 out.
With the number of
Gregorio
mistakes
in.
that happened dun sa fourth set. Kung ibang players yan, tutupi, mababa ang kumpiyansa. And it's all about remembering what you were able to do before and using that
Aliana San Gregorio
para
for the
muling
serve.
manumbalik yung lakas ng loob at ganda ng laro.
Ang pinakamatulis na serve na nakita ko buong laro.
Sobra.
Mula sa rookie na si San Gregorio. Ebuen na naman. Inabakan sa taas.
Oh.
Ooh!
Costly. It was a free point waiting to happen for the Lady Altas. And they cannot get that ball over.
12 out,
Tight
11
points being won
Llorente
by
in.
the Lady Chiefs. 4 points ahead and only 2 points away from winning this match. Pero nung sinabi natin kanina sa fourth set yun, bumalik sila si Indiin mo. But this is a different situation dahil race to
Aliana
15
San
lamang
Gregorio
ito.
serving.
Oh, misreceive. Tripoli papalo. Oh no. Bumagsak si Ebuen. May iniindang sakit. Free ball. May chance
Oh.
pa to. Tripoli cross court. Now there's some concern here dahil bumagsak ng hindi maganda itong si Nicole Ebuen.
Pinapagpag niya, kitang-kita. Kagat-labi siya. Oh.
Ayaw niya ipakita na meron siyang iniindang sakit. Yan ang pusong palaban ng isang Nicole Ebuen. Bianca Tripoli.
MVP.
Serving team captain Blanca Tripoli.
Kanina pa yan eh. Natapilok na siya kanina sa may poste. Pero Tiao, quick
Oh.
attack para kay Juanich.
Very low.
Hindi nakuha yung tamang timing.
Oo. They were going for the jugular. And it did not work out well for them. Napakababa. That will not clear the net. Talagang matutuyo ang
Serve
karito.
team captain Blanca Tripoli.
Kailangan
Kapit,
ng tubig
mga
to.
kapamilya.
Tubig.
Pasok yan para kay Tripoli. Regalo para kay Imbo. And Imbo knew that she could have tipped that one harder, Coach Ronnie.
Pero
Into
dahil
the
sa
ball.
nag-react siya doon, she was not in the right
Arellano.
position
Now at
defensively.
match point.
And that was a double block high against the best player
Timeout,
ng Lady
Perpetual.
Altas. At sino ang gumatas sa pagkakataong yon?
MVP, Nicole Ebuen.
MVP.
Pasa lang, pasa lang. Lock weak. 3. C. Pag napatay natin yan, kaya pang habulin yan. Huwag na natin sasayangin. Let's go. Maniwala kayo, maniwala kayo. Tara, tara. Maniwala lang kayo atin yan.
May natitira pa bang comeback ang Lady Altas ngayong gabi? Yan ang ating malalaman dito sa parating na rallying ito. Nasa match point na ang Arellano University.
Grabe yung panghihinayang sa mukha ni Cindy Imbo. Pero tignan mo yung pawis ni Bianca Tripoli. Hindi lang pukpok, sobra pa.
Arellano University gustong bumalik dito sa Martes.
Ilang araw lang yun, ano?
For the match,
Nasa North America ka na nun.
3 araw para magpahinga at mag-ensayo at baka gusto pa nila manood ng sine ulit.
Alamang.
Chinchin Gual, sinetap si Imbo! Buhay pa ang Lady Altas!
Off the hands
Cindy Imbo looking for redemption after that last point.
of Buena.
Gave Arellano 3 match points. Sino pupuntahan mo when the game is on the line? Walang iba kundi si Cindy Imbo.
At si Hershey Kate Llorente na
Hershey
naman
Llorente,
ang nasa
serving.
service line para sa Perpetual. Oh! Sumobra yung serve!
Serve goes
Buhay
out.
pa ang Arellano University Lady Chiefs at hindi
15-12.
makapaniwala si Coach Obed Javier.
to the
We
Arellano
will go
University
to
Lady
game
Chiefs
number 3.
for winning Game 2 of the Best of 3 Championship Series in 5 sets.
Some of the Lady Chiefs are in tears. The most important thing, tears of joy, yung kanilang nailalabas ngayon. And we will see a game number 3 on Tuesday as Arellano will survive in 5 grueling sets against the hard-fighting Perpetual Lady Altas.
And the MVP showed up today, but she had some help.
A lot of help.
Coach Ronnie, Princess
Oh,
Bello,
yes.
18 points.
It was a sinking ship. And she was the best player para dito sa Arellano, especially in the 5th set. Sara Verechal did damage. Reg Arocha was always steady. But in the end, I really felt Princess Bello made the biggest difference in the 5th and final set para dito sa Arellano.
So ayan po ang huling laro sa Martes po, February 12, 2019. Dito pa rin sa Phil Oil Flying V Center. Perpetual Lady Altas at Arellano Lady Chiefs ipapamalas ang kanilang galing para makasama sa lista ng mga pinakadakilang koponan sa kasaysayan ng NCAA Women's Volleyball. Sa ngalan ni Direk Al Neri, Roxanne Montealegre, Coach Ronnie Magsanok, at ng lahat na mga bumubuo ng ABS-CBN Sports, ako si Anton Ross nagsasabing magkita-kita muli tayo sa Martes for game number 3 of the Women's Volleyball Finals sa Season 94 ng NCAA.